Good morning, student. Yesterday we have discussed various methods of aldehyde synthesis. Now today we are going to study about ketone. There is only one difference in aldehyde and ketone. That is, in aldehyde there is COOH group and one alkyl group is there, while in ketone there is one carbonyl group and two alkyl group. Now we are going to study method of preparation of ketone. So first method is from oxidation of secondary alcohol. Second method is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Third method is reaction of acid chloride with organocopper compound. Fourth is acetoacetic ester, and last is ozonolysis of alkene. So first method we'll see, that is oxidation. So this ketone can be synthesized from secondary alcohol. This method is same like aldehyde. Only in aldehyde primary alcohols are used, while in ketone secondary alcohols are used. Secondary alcohols undergo oxidation with the help of chromic acid. So first there is hydrolysis between this oxygen and hydrogen. While from second starting material, there is again hydrolysis between this chromic acid. So first breakdown of bond takes place in such way that this oxygen takes both covalent electron, while this OH minus, this oxygen and Cr bond break down, and again OH minus release. Now this oxygen is electron rich, while this chromate is electron deficient, and that is why there is reaction takes place. There is formation of new bond between electron rich oxygen and electron deficient Cr. After that, this complex get breakdown, that will show in next slide. Now there is breakdown takes place again between this oxygen and Cr bond, while this hydrogen get removed. So here this complex convert into ketone. Mechanism is similar to aldehyde. Now third method, that is oxidation with the help of KMnO4. So again secondary alcohol we have to use. We have to use strong base which will abstract this hydrogen as a proton, and this oxygen became electron rich. This electron rich oxygen after that donate pi pair here, and there is formation of ketone, and this is your second starting material. So again mechanism same. This oxygen became electron rich, and this electron rich oxygen donate its pi pair here, and it is converted into ketone. This hydrogen get attached on this oxygen. Now next we'll see Friedel-Crafts acylation. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, benzene react with acid chloride in presence of Lewis acid, that we have discussed yesterday. So this acetyl chloride first react with aluminium chloride, which act as a Lewis acid. To complete its octet, it takes this Cl as a Cl minus. It abstracts this Cl as a Cl minus and convert into AlCl4. After that, this carbonyl carbon became electron deficient, and it is shown by plus sign. After that, to stabilize this carbonyl carbon, It attacks on benzene pi pair. Benzene pi pair is electron-rich species, while acetyl cation are electron-deficient species. Now there is formation of new bond between benzene carbon and deficient carbonyl carbon. Now again, to retain resonance, to retain aromaticity, one of the proton get lost. So this hydrogen is removed as a proton and covalent pair shifted inside to retain aromaticity. Again benzene has 3 pi pairs and this as a substituent. So this is acetophenone. So this is about Friedel-Crafts acylation. In first step, this acetyl chloride react with AlCl3 and forms complex which break down into acetyl cation, and this acetyl cation, which is electron deficient species, attacks on benzene pi pair and there is formation of this complex. This complex is breakdown again to retain aromaticity. One of the proton get lost and it is converted into acetophenone. Now third reaction we'll discuss. Ketone can be synthesized from acyl chloride with the help of organocopper compound. So here we are using acid chloride as a first starting material. It reacts with this copper lithium compound. So again this bond is polar bond. Due to electronegativity, oxygen pull pi pair towards itself. So this carbonyl carbon became electron deficient. In first step, this Cl undergo replacement. So this Cl is removed as a Cl minus and get replaced with organo compound, copper compound. After that, this copper is metal and that is why it always donate electron to this R. So always it liberate electron rich alkyl group. This electron rich alkyl group attacks on carbonyl carbon. So from this R minus release and this R minus attacks here on carbonyl carbon and it is converted into corresponding ketone. So this is again third method for ketone synthesis. Now in next step, we'll see it can be synthesized from acetoacetic ester. So first starting material is acetoacetic ester which has two carbonyl group. It has one ester group, one ketone group and methylene bridge. So this is acetoacetic ester which having ketone moiety, ester moiety. So first there is role of base. This sodium ethoxide in presence of ethanol act as a base. This methylene bridge is reactive species. So on methylene bridge there are hydrogen. Two hydrogens are there. So one of the hydrogen from methylene bridge is abstracted by base. Means there is hydrolysis. This hydrogen is removed as a proton with sodium ethoxide ion and it is converted into electron rich carbon. This electron rich carbon is now takes methyl cation from methyl bromide. So second hydrolysis takes place between methyl bromide. From methyl bromide, this bond break down in such a way that this Br always takes this covalent pair. Br minus release. This Br minus is in solution and methyl cation is now accepted by this CH, electron rich carbon. After that, there is hydrolysis. There is ester-hydrolysis. There is breakdown of this ester bond and which is converted into carboxylic acid. Final step, decarboxylation. In that, COOH moiety is removed as a carbon dioxide and finally we'll get ketone, that is ethyl methyl ketone. So there are four steps that we have to remember. In first step, base abstract one of the hydrogen from methylene bridge. Due to abstraction, one of the carbon became, that is methylene carbon became electron rich. That electron rich carbon takes methyl cation from methyl bromide and forms a new carbon-carbon bond. After this, there is ester hydrolysis. There is breakdown of ester bond and which is converted into acid. This acid get decarboxylate with the help of removal of CO2 and convert into corresponding ketone. So these all steps and this synthesis is named as acetoacetic ester synthesis. Now in next step we'll see in last method ozonolysis of alkene that we have discussed in alkene topic. In that, first starting material is carbon-carbon double bond, that is alkene, and second starting material is ozone. In ozone, you can see there are three oxygens. O3 is molecular formula for ozone. In that one oxygen is neutral while one is electron deficient, which is shown by plus sign. One is electron rich, which is shown by negative sign. So this ozone get added at carbon-carbon double bond and it is converted into ring-like structure. After that, this ring-like structure get break down into carbonyl compound that we'll discuss. So this in step number 2, again this carbonyl carbon is electron deficient on which this oxygen, which is electron rich oxygen, attacks and it convert into ring-like structure. Again this structure break down and carbonyl products are formed. So again we can synthesize ketone from ozone and alkene. Then we'll discuss various reactions of aldehyde and ketone. As in first lecture we have studied, this CO bond is polar bond because of electronegativity difference. It undergo nucleophilic addition type of reaction. So first reaction will discuss addition of hydrogen cyanide. So here HCN is hydrogen cyanide. So hydrogen cyanide, when we mix hydrogen cyanide and ketone or aldehyde, here we have taken aldehyde. When we mix in container, first hydrolysis takes place between hydrogen and cyanide. This hydrogen became electron deficient proton and this cyanide became electron rich cyanide anion as a first starting material. As we know, this carbonyl bond is polar. This pi pair always pulled by this oxygen and this cyanide act as a nucleophile, can easily attack on this carbonyl carbon and there is formation of new bond between carbon and CN. Now H plus ion, which are present in solution, attack on electron rich oxygen and convert into hydro, that is cyanohydrine. So this is mechanism and it is named as addition of hydrogen cyanide. Sometime here there is requirement of base to speed up the reaction. Now that is here we have again discussed. Step number 1 is nucleophilic addition. Step number 2 is protonation occur. As this oxygen is electron rich, it has to neutralize. So it accepts H plus from solution and converted into hydrocyanine, cyanohydrine complex. So next we will discuss second reaction, that is addition of sodium hydrogen sulfide. Again from sodium hydrogen sulfide, sodium hydrogen sulfide, this bond again get breakdown. As sodium is metal, it has tendency to donate electron to this sulfate. So there is formation of HSO3 minus, which is electron rich species like cyanide, that we have covered in first reaction. So in first reaction we have added hydrogen cyanide. Now sodium hydrogen sulfide we have to add. This sulfide ion is electron rich and this carbonyl carbon again electron deficient. So this nucleophile attacks on carbonyl carbon. There is formation of new bond between this sulfide and between this carbon. Again H plus present in solution which get added on oxygen and will get this addition product. Now similarly we'll see addition of alcohol. In addition of alcohol there are various steps that we'll discuss one by one. First is protonation of carbonyl group. Second is nucleophilic attack. Third is deprotonation. Fourth is protonation of. Fifth is removal of water. Sixth is nucleophilic attack. And last is deprotonation by water to form acetyl. Last product will get, that is acetyl. So we'll discuss one by one. In first method, protonation of carbonyl takes place. What is meant by protonation? Addition of proton. So when water molecule react with acidic media, then from acid H plus get released. This H plus and H2O react and forms hydronium ion, which can release proton. So hydronium ion we have used as a source of proton. So first starting material is, that is aldehyde or ketone. For convenience acetone we have used. So this acetone on which this oxygen is electron rich. Why it is electron rich? Because of presence of two lone pair. So here hydronium ion act as a proton source, act as an acid, and it can release proton. So this H plus ion which is released from proton is electron deficient and which attacks on this lone pair, or opposite we can show this proton, this lone pair attacking on this proton, and there is formation of new bond between oxygen and proton. But simultaneously what happened, as oxygen has donated one lone pair to accept proton, it became now electron deficient, which is shown by plus sign. So now to stabilize, whenever there is positive charge on electronegative element, it is highly unstable. That is why immediately it will react with water molecule, that is second starting material, ROH. Again this oxygen which is present in alcohol is electron rich center which attack on this carbon, carbonyl carbon, because again this pi pair shifted on oxygen So this carbon became electron deficient, and there is addition of alcohol on carbonyl compound. So alcohol also we are using in second step. Now in third step, this alcohol from alcohol this oxygen donate one lone pair, that is why became electron deficient. So this proton which is present in alcohol get removed as a proton. After removing this proton, there is formation of neutral structure. Now this neutral structure again there is in fourth step protonation of alcoholic functional group takes place. Again we have to remove this alcoholic moiety. So on this lone pair again protonation takes place. Again addition of proton takes place. After addition of proton, it convert into good leaving group, that is water molecule, and it is removed from this molecule as a water. After removing as a water, it is converted into this structure. Now there is 2 alkyl, that is as from acetone it is 2 alkyl, that is 2 methyl group, C double bonded oxygen and R is there. So this oxygen is again electron deficient oxygen. Again it accept one alcohol, second molecule of alcohol, and get converted into this. Again oxygen is plus and it is not stable. So in last step deprotonation takes place. Means there is removal of H plus and acetyl forms. So again it has various steps that will summarize. In first step, protonation of carbonyl group takes place. So here you can see in protonation, again we'll see in detail. In protonation what happened? There is oxygen which is electron rich oxygen on carbonyl group, that is on acetone, accept proton and convert into this. Whenever there is positive charge on oxygen, it is highly unstable. It accept one alcohol moiety and get converted into this. Now in next step, there is removal of proton. After removing proton, again this structure converted into this intermediate. After this, on this electron rich oxygen, this proton attack and convert into good living group. That good living group get lost as a water molecule and this structure convert into this intermediate where oxygen is again electron deficient. It again accept second molecule of alcohol and convert into this. Finally deprotonation is there and acetyl will get. As it is, you have to remember. So practice this all reaction 3 to 4 times. Then you can remember or you can recollect in exam also. So we have seen now 3 reactions. Now we'll move towards addition of Grignard reagent. So this method is very simple. So here we have to add Grignard reagent on carbonyl group. So as we know, Grignard reagent means RMgX and commonly it is alkyl magnesium halide. So magnesium, as it is metal, has tendency to donate electron. So it always donate to this R and this R became electron rich carbanion. So Grignard reagent release carbanion. Again this carbonyl carbon is electron deficient and this oxygen is electron rich. This R minus get added on carbonyl carbon and there is formation of this complex. So with the help of water molecule, again H plus ion can attack on this electron rich oxygen and it is converted into alcohol. So here we can use dilute sulfuric acid. So this is reaction with Grignard reagent. So this is common method for alcohol synthesis that we have studied during alcohol. So addition of Grignard reagent, and last method is oxidation of aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde can be converted into acid with the help of KMnO4 in alkaline media, that is potassium permanganate in alkaline media. So here you can see ketone can be converted into carboxylic acid mixture with the help of KMnO4 in alkaline media. So mechanism is again simple. This carbonyl group is electron deficient. Here there is attack of nucleophile, that is OH minus nucleophile. After this H plus from here get added on Mn. There is formation of this complex which break down into carboxylic acid. So aldehyde can be converted into corresponding carboxylic acid. Then qualitative test. So with the help of Tollens reagent, we can identify given aldehyde. So in Tollens reagent there is ammonical solution of silver. So that is in alkaline media we have to perform. So aldehyde can be converted into this carboxylate anion and free silver liberate. This free silver then forms a mirror image, silver image, and that is why this is one of the identification test for this aldehyde, silver mirror test it is.